So you don't want to eat?
No, I'm
No, you good?
Yeah.
You sure you're not drunk?
No.
Let's make sure. Okay.
Alright. Let's see what's going on to Max to the Million.
He's probably enjoying himself in Thailand without me, the awesomely best in the world.
I wish I had this like 1 million likes. You're not gonna get 1 million. Are you gonna think it's gonna get 1 million likes?
He's like from the Simpsons movie. Right, here's the reason why you killed Paul Walker last night. You were in his mind. That's why Paul Walker died. Dang.
Damn it, Aaron. You guys stuck in the middle of nowhere. While your fat ass is eating, we're sitting here starving. Sheesh. I know he's hungry all the time, but come on, really? What's he trying to do, eat the whole restaurant before it closes?
Alright, Rainbow, that's enough. Oh man, I'm tired of this. Let's see what's going on.
Stop yelling! Does anyone need help on shooting? Oh, not you! Ow! No, please do my pistol.
I like riding this one. Yeah, good. I wish this night not finish. I want to stay. I want to stay Thailand. Yeah, I want to stay. I want to stay with you.
Yeah. See you later.
Don't lose your way with each passing day. You've come so far, don't throw it away. Live believing, dreams are for weaving, wonders are waiting to start. Live your story, faith, hope, and glory. Hold to the truth in your heart. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever, where clouds roll by. For you and I, souls in the wind must learn how to bend. Seek out a star, hold on to the end. Valley, mountain, there is a fountain, washes our tears all away. Words are sway. Someone is praying, please let us come home to stay. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever, where clouds
was a hopeless too.
Oh, speak of the...
Souls can fly, the clouds roll by for you and
Go back home, right?
Yeah. And not like last night. But only happy I'm with you. Only happy I'm with you.
Okay.
Yeah.